Welcome to the Weather Center, everyone. We had very eventful weather going on throughout Friday across the southern and eastern parts of South Africa, thanks to this cut-off low in the upper levels of the atmosphere, together with this cold front heading towards the eastern areas that have been producing cloud and rainy weather across much of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, as well as snowfalls over the northeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. We also had stormy weather over the central and northeastern parts of South Africa. Now, tonight it's going to stay cloud and rainy for much of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, with light snowfalls persisting for the northeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms are forecast for parts of the Free State, Northwest, Gauteng and Limpopo, and parts of the Mpumalanga Highveld. It's going to be mostly fine across western South Africa. Saturday is going to be a cloudy, wet and cold affair across much of eastern South Africa, with snowfalls persisting over the northeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Fine and warmer weather is forecast over the western half of the country. Tonight you can expect up to a 40% chance of rain and thunder showers. In the areas you see the light shades of blue, scattered to widespread precipitation is forecast where you see the dark shade of blue and the shade of purple extending from the northwest through Gauteng and Mpumalanga down into KwaZulu-Natal and parts of the Eastern Cape. Here's a look at a rainfall accumulation map for the next 48 hours, showing areas that could receive in excess of 50 millimeters of rainfall along the KZN coastal areas, as well as over parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. We still have a watch in place for severe thunderstorms across the eastern Highveld areas. You will also need to watch out for heavy rains across the southeastern areas of the Eastern Cape and over western KwaZulu-Natal. A watch is also in place for disruptive snowfalls over the northeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be pretty chilly tonight for much of the interior, with most areas seeing temperatures dropping to below 10 degrees, even below freezing for the minimum in Sutherland. Cape Town drops to 10 degrees, 11 for Port Elizabeth. Durban will see a minimum of 14. A low temperature of 9 is forecast for Johannesburg. We are going to see temperatures warming up further over the western parts of the country. Cape Town warming to 23, but a chilly Saturday is forecast for the southern and eastern areas. Johannesburg and Bethlehem managing highs of just 11, 19 for Richards Bay and Durban, a bit warmer for Port Elizabeth and George, both peaking at around 20. It's going to be sunny and warm on Sunday for Cape Town. Rain and thunderstorms will persist across eastern South Africa. Then on Monday, we are going to see light rain along the east coast and over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga.